Mix cottage cheese, yolk, sugar, mix. Add flour, baking powder, mix. Sprinkle the table with flour. Lay out the dough. Roll it out 3–4 mm thick. Use a circle to cut out the shape. Roll out the rest of the dough and cut out the shape. Take one round, fold in half, then in half again. I made half of these cookies. For the second half of the cookies, mix sugar and cinnamon. Roll future cookies. Grease a baking sheet with oil. Lay out the dough. Bake 15 minutes at temperature 180 degrees. Drizzle with honey or syrup if desired. Bon appetit! Put likes, subscribe and bye!